Do it without the unboxing and all that to make it shorter and just go over this. Our camera is not even doing a good job on focusing, so yeah, whatever. We'll still try. So this is a pretty straightforward smartwatch, and it has all the normal features you would see, like heart rate and all that, as you see. The only difference is it is a little smaller, like more. Well, it's not necessarily smaller. How do we put this? It is a little slimmer. That's probably what's the right word what we're looking for here. And it is a little bit more straightforward with the design in that regard. Um, Otherwise, pretty common smartwatch. Nothing super special, nothing out of the ordinary, but in general, still a pretty decent um, and solid product for sure. And I guess, yeah, since the quality is not doing too good today, I think we call it a day, and I'd rather see you around in the next video. Until then, you guys, take care. My name is Badger, and I'm out. Bye bye.